Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the game's code here. So you have to at least be like top 4 of this duo and Dress to Impress like they just did. So then you're just going to want to go into the beach area, and you're just going to jump on this, and you're just going to climb in this portal, and you're going to join this mermaid obby. Essentially, you'll have to join this obstacle course. Obby is an obstacle course if you didn't know. I just knew because I don't really play Roblox a lot. But so you're going to want to be at least the third place. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, there's gonna be a mermaid race, and once you're done with that, how do I leave this game? Honestly, how do I leave it? Okay, then you know what? I'm just gonna leave the lobby and rejoin. But you're just going to type in the game's code into the code, and you'll get a mermaid tail and a mermaid fin. Here, I'll show you. Here, you'll get, make sure you type in the games here and you'll get this. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.